Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm coming at you with another luxe look for less, all thanks to MCO Beauty, which is conveniently available at your local Woolies. This makeup look is super affordable, it's cruelty free. I think you guys are gonna love it, so I'm really excited to jump on in. First things first, what I want to do is prep my skin, and for this I'm going to be using the Makeup Remover Balm. Now you might think it's a little weird to prep my skin with a makeup remover, but what this is going to do is just make sure every little bit of dirt, makeup, whatever it might be that is on my face is completely clean. The Makeup Remover Balm is also enriched with rose flower water, which is going to assist with redness and dryness. It's really going to help to hydrate the skin and prep it for makeup. I'm a big believer in prepping the skin and making sure that your skin is ready to pop on some makeup, so that's what I'm going to dive in and do. I actually love using balms to remove makeup because I really feel like the oils help to really melt everything down and you're gonna get every little skerrick of makeup off your face. Now that that's all rubbed in and my face is nicely hydrated, it's moisturized, I've really given it a good massage, I'm just going to go and rinse that off and then we can get into some makeup. I've just washed that off with a little bit of warm water and oh my god, my skin feels so soft. It's also feeling really plump and hydrated as well, so this is the perfect base for makeup. So I've just popped on some foundation. I've also gone in really quickly with the MCO Beauty Instant Brows and More Brows just to really define and shape my brows nicely. So next thing I want to do is go in with some concealer because my eyes are looking a little bit baggy and I can see some dark circles, so we're going to cover them up. So for this I'm going to go in with my Cover and Treat Hydrating Concealer. So I'm just going to pop this underneath the eyes to really hydrate and conceal that area. This concealer also contains coconut oil, so it is a super hydrating formula. I'm actually just going to use my finger to blend this in because the warmth from my finger is really going to help sort of almost melt the product into my skin and really help it have a really seamless blend. Because that does have that beautiful coconut oil in there, it is going to be quite a sheer, beautiful, natural, radiant sort of finish. So if you are looking for something a little bit more glowy, especially at this time of year, if you want your skin to be super hydrated and that dewy sort of radiant finish, this is the perfect concealer for that. I don't know what it is about putting concealer on, but I already feel like I look more healthy, more radiant, definitely more bright and awake, that's for sure. Alright, now that we've got the concealer all done, we are ready to jump into the fun stuff. And for today, I'm going to be using the MCO Beauty Eyeshadow Trend Palette. These colors are my jam. I love these colors, I think they're so beautiful. I always gravitate to these shadows here. They're just so stunning. This palette is a mix of matte and shimmer shades, so you've really got everything you'll need. I love this pop of color here, so I'm thinking of maybe doing something gold and smoky with a little pop of color. What do you guys think? I'm feeling it. Okay, so I'm going to start out with this shade here, and we're just going to pop that basically all over the lid and really blend it through the crease. Also going to run this underneath my lower lash line just to help blend everything in. Now I'm going to jump in with that deeper brown, and we're just going to pop that into the very outer corner of the eye. And I'm also just really defining the crease with this as well. I also really like to blend everything towards the tail of the brow. This just really helps to elongate the eye. It's almost like a cat eye effect. It's just going to make your eyes look a lot bigger than they actually are. And because I have hooded eyes, I just really love to do this trick to help make them look big. Okay, so now that we've got that smoky look going on, I want to dive into some shimmer now. So I'm going to take this shade here. I think it's so beautiful. It's like this beautiful champagne-y pinky gold color. And I'm just going to pop that right in the inner corner just to brighten up the eye, and then we're going to softly blend it over the lid. Now that we've done that shimmer, I'm just going to go back into that dark brown and just define the outer corner a little more. Now that that's all blended in, I'm going to go in with that plum shade. I think this is so stunning. It's perfect for a pop of color. So I'm just going to pop that underneath the lower lash line. This is very pigmented, so do make sure that you use a really light hand with this. If you guys are thinking of adding color into your makeup look, this palette is a great way to experiment with that. These pops of colors, while they are beautiful and very pigmented, if you just incorporate it into the lower lash line or just a little pop of color here and there, it's a great way to get used to using brighter colors. I feel like if you aren't used to color, using some sort of earthy, plummy tones is a great way to start to add color into your routine. Now finally, to finish the look off for the eyes, I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is a beautiful bright shimmer. I'm going to pop that into the inner corners and the brow bone. Woo! Look how stunning and bright that is. Adding this little bit of shimmer to the inner corner is really going to help brighten the eyes up. Same with the brow bone, it's going to help to define the arch and really brighten the whole look. So now that we have all the eyeshadow done, I'm just going to pop on a little bit of mascara. I'm going to be using my Fat Lash mascara, and then we can go in with some lashes. Now for lashes, I'm going to go in with the MCO Beauty pre-glued false eyelashes. How beautiful and fluffy do these lashes look? Oh my god. I love fluffy lashes, and these ones are so soft. The great thing about these is they already have the glue on there, so you don't have to fuss around with waiting for glue to dry or anything like that. You can just pop them on and they're good to go. Yes, these lashes are so stunning. This is my kind of lash, like super fluffy, natural looking, but very dramatic. I'm obsessed. They're also so comfortable. Like, I can barely feel these. They're very lightweight, super comfy. The other great thing is they also come with another adhesive strip in the packaging as well, so they are reusable. You can totally use them again because they do have that extra strip if you wanted to. I'm going to be using these a lot more. They're probably my new favorite, I'd have to say. They're so nice. Now I'm going to go in and finish off the rest of the face. I'm going to go in with the MCO Beauty Natural Bronzer. This is a pressed matte formula. The thing that I love about this bronzer is it is really cool toned and it is buildable. So you can certainly do quite a soft look with this, or you can build it up to do something a little more dramatic. And because it is so cool toned, it can be used as a contour shade as well as a bronzer. So it's kind of multi-use. Now for everyone's favorite part, I'm going to go in with highlight. So I'm going to be using the Instant Highlighter, and this is in the shade Moonshine. This is actually such a beautiful champagne-y gold color. You can even use it on your body as well. Whenever I'm highlighting my body, I love to do like my collarbones and the décolletage and the shoulders. So definitely you don't have to stop at just your face when it comes to highlighting. Now to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with the MCO Beauty Crystal Shine Treatment Gloss. I actually have a little bit of an obsession with gloss at the moment. I just find, especially this time of year, I really want to make sure that my lips are nice and hydrated. I also just love the look of the gloss. This one is ultra shiny, so you're going to get a beautiful shiny gloss, but it is not sticky at all. You can also put this over the top of any of your favorite lipsticks as well if you like, but my favorite thing about it is also a treatment as well. There are some beautiful ingredients in here. You've got jojoba seed oil, you've got sweet almond oil, you've got aloe vera extract. They're such beautiful ingredients, especially if you're wearing this throughout the day. For me, I think this is an absolute staple for your handbag, so that is where this one's going to live from now on. So that is the finished look, you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. I am obsessed with how it turned out. I love the eye look, these lashes. Oh, these lashes are so stunning. I really loved how it turned out. I think it's very sultry and sexy, yet you do have that pop of color. I love how the skin turned out. I think that the makeup remover balm actually really helped to plump up the skin and get it really hydrated. I always say it's very important to start with a good base for your makeup, so skincare is definitely very important. I also can't believe how inexpensive these products are considering the beautiful ingredients that are in there, the quality, like it is insane. If you guys want to pick up any of the products that you saw here today, I will leave them all in the description below, as well as all of MCO Beauty's social media, website, everything you need to know. All of you guys in Australia can get these at your local Woolies, so it is super accessible to get your hands on these products. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this luxe look for less. I also want to say a big thank you to MCO Beauty for partnering with me on today's video. I love that I can bring you guys affordable looks. I love that all these products are super affordable yet really good quality. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a big thumbs up. I hope you all have an awesome day, and I will see you in my next video, if not sooner. Bye!